In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link on Substack. Linking articles or other resources can significantly enhance your content by providing your readers with additional information or perspectives on the topic you're discussing. Whether you're guiding your audience to related materials or citing sources, creating hyperlinks effectively is a valuable skill. Let's walk through the process to ensure you're comfortable linking on Substack. To begin with, you'll first need to log into your Substack publication dashboard. This is essentially your control center on Substack, the place where you manage all your content, so if you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so now. You'll be greeted by your dashboard showcasing your recent posts and various publishing tools. Once you're in, you have the option to either start a new post or open an existing one. If you're drafting a brand new article, click on the New Post button. Otherwise, if there's an existing post that you'd like to edit and add links to, simply navigate to that post and open it. Now within the Substack editor, find the text you'd like to convert into a link. Highlight this text as this is the part of your writing that will be clickable, taking your readers to the resource you want to share. It's a good idea to choose text that clearly signifies what your link will lead to, ensuring your readers know what to expect. With your text highlighted, look up to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here you'll see a series of icons, including one that looks like a chain or a link. Go ahead and click that icon. This action will prompt a little window or box to appear where you can enter the URL of the page you wish to link to. Next comes the crucial part, adding your URL. Carefully paste or type the web address into this box. Make sure the URL is correct to avoid broken links or misdirecting your audience. Double check for typos or unnecessary spaces. Accurate URLs are key to ensuring a good user experience. Once your URL is in place, you need to finalize the link. This part is quite simple, just press enter or click away from the box. If everything has been done correctly, you'll notice that your highlighted text is now underlined or colored differently, which indicates it's been hyperlinked. Now whenever someone reads your post, they can click on this text to easily access the linked content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate links into your Substack posts, enriching your audience's reading experience and boosting the informational value of your content. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep practicing and soon linking will be an automatic part of your writing process. Happy linking!